Behave. Yeah.
I want to get in the back.
Nope, you're not getting in the back.
You're in the back.
No, in the
You're gonna get over here in front.
tail in the front.
Get over here.
Okay, I'm going to front.
Hurry up.
I don't want him up here. I end up knocking the crap out of him.
I'll jack you up. That's what I'm gonna
Hold
do.
him right there, Mom.
Give me him.
Yeah, then.
Give me him.
What the hell are you honking at?
Freaking hold on. Come on.
Ow, ow. That's what you get. We say we're going to jack you up.
My
Sit back.
arms.
Sit back with your butt.
Push my leg.
No, you don't. Why? What's right there? Okay,
Your
it's okay. Nona got it better.
No, one
You can
more
say
time.
that. And
Shut
your
up.
sweater.
Your cup is right there.
No,
You
it's
know
so
you can say that to me?
awesome. It makes it feel like we're going through a time machine, like